Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll give you a walkthrough on how to create and mail letters on the PostGrid dashboard. So there are 4 steps to mailing letters on PostGrid. The first step is to create your contacts. Second step is to create the letter template. The third step is to create and mail the letter. And the fourth step is to track your letter. So this tutorial will focus on step 3, creating and mailing the letter. After signing into your PostGrid dashboard, you can navigate to the letters page from the navigation panel. This page will show you a list of all the letters that you have sent in the past. And you can create a new letter by clicking Create Letter on the top right-hand side. For this tutorial, I will create a letter called Account Balance Letter. The first thing I'll have to do is select the contacts to whom I am sending this letter. I can either select a single contact or upload a CSV file with the contacts I have in mind. What I would like to do is download a sample CSV here, just to see what the structure of the CSV file is expected to be. Here is the sample CSV file I just downloaded. It includes the address fields of each contact, as well as the first names and the company name. With PostGrid, you must include the address fields and the first name or the company name. In addition to these fields, I will include 2 properties, which will be my merge variables. The first one is the account number. The second one is the account balance. These properties will be pulled by the template and used to create the letter. Now that I have saved my CSV file, I can go back to the contacts and upload the recipients. Over here, I will select the CSV file and click Upload. As you see, PostGrid has found the 4 contacts in that file itself. The next step is to select the sender contact, who is the contact who is sending the letter. I will select a contact that we have here. Now that I have selected the recipients of the letter and the sender of the letter, the next step is to select the document that I am sending. With PostScript, there are 2 ways to select the document. Either you can upload a template using our HTML editor or your own HTML code, or you can upload a PDF. Here, I have already created a template called the tutorial template, which I will be using. Here's a quick look at the tutorial template that I just created. It includes 5 merge variables, which is the recipient's first name, placed inside 2 bracket braces, the account number and account amount balance, which were set in the CSV file I uploaded, and the sender's first name and company name. As you can see, as soon as I select the template, the merge variables appear below. These include the recipient's first name, the sender's first name and company name, and the account number and amount balance from the CSV file. The merge variables associated with the contact data will appear filled directly. The rest will fill later on as I create the letter. The final step is selecting my mailing requirements. These requirements could be selecting a return envelope or making use of additional postage services such as certified mail, certified with return receipt, or registered mail, and selecting our mailing class. By default, first class is the fastest non-express postage. I can also select a send date to specify the date with which the letter is to be sent. In addition to that, I could customize my print to be colored, double-sided, inserting a blank page for the address, and perforating the first page and selecting express delivery. For this tutorial, I will only select colored. Now I will click Create to create the letter. As soon as the letter is created, I could download a report showing that the letter has been created with the IDs and the status message. Now that I've created the letter, I can navigate back to the letters page to see the letter details. Clicking on a specific letter's View PDF will open that PDF letter. As you can see, the merge variables have filled correctly. This includes the recipient's first name, account number, account balance, and the sender's first name and company name. These were pulled from the CSV file I uploaded earlier. Furthermore, selecting a specific letter will open the letter details. This will show me the phase in which the letter is at throughout the mailing process, as well as the raw data. Now, since I am in test mode and not in live mode, I can manually progress this letter to show you the different steps. The first step is ready, which means the order has been created, but has not been sent to the printing network yet. As the letter progresses to the printing phase, this letter is now being printed by our printing network. The next step is processed. This is when the letter has been passed on to our delivery partners. And when the letter is complete, that means the letter has been put out for delivery and has most likely been delivered to the recipient. And that is all there is to creating and sending letters on PostGrid. For further inquiries, please contact us at sales@postgrid.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.